Hey Charmers! Welcome back to Boxycharm's YouTube channel. My name is Safai Kelly and today we're going to be unboxing this month's premium box. I'll also be doing a little demonstration featuring a few of the products from this month's premium box, but why don't we jump right into it and get started. Alright you guys, so the theme for this month is Dare to Dazzle, and I have my little info card here that has all the information of all the products that we have in our box this month. The first product that we have is by Marc Jacobs Beauty. That makes me so excited. I love me some Marc Jacobs. This is going to be the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Now this does retail for $27. Next up we do have One Size. Now this is the Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. I'm going to be honest, I've actually used these before and I love them. I love them so much. The box does include a pack of 6 supersized under eye patches that help hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and texture. Get into this self-care moment. Honestly, they are really amazing. These eye patches do retail for $25. Keeping into that kind of skincare moment, we have Skin Regimen, and this is their 1.85 HA booster. This product is a hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and a cross-link to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore the optimal levels of hydration. This does retail for $115. The next product in this month's premium box is the Moroccan Oil, and this is their Perfect Defense. This is a weightless dry aerosol heat protective spray, and it does protect against the damaging effects of heat styling for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Perfect Defense heat protective spray does retail for $28. Next up we have Zoeva, and this is the Pure Velourous Lip. The formula is velvet, ultra creamy, and glides onto the lips smoothly, combining intense color with a long-lasting formula that sets to a matte finish. This product does retail for $15. Last but not least, we have Floss Beauty, and this is the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. I've actually never used this product before, but it's a hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortlessly beachy vibe. This does retail for $22. Let us dive into some application. So I want to prep my skin, and I'm going to be using the Skin Regimen 1.85 HA booster. I'm going to use a dropper right onto my hands. Clean hands. It does feel very thin and light on my skin, like it's gonna penetrate and fully absorb, which I really like. It's not sticky whatsoever. There is no fragrance at all. I'm really excited to include this in my skincare routine. We're getting into the Secure the Blur eye patches from One Size. Now I've actually used these before and I love them. Like, how cute is this little print here? We have the smiley faces in silver printed on it. I think it's absolutely adorable. I absolutely love the size of these eye patches because we're taking care of directly under eye and right to the top of the cheeks. They need love too. I'm gonna let these do their thing and I'll be back. We are looking so good. I'm at the point now where it's time for some cheek action. So I wanted to use the Floss Cheek and Lip Tint, and this is in the shade Sandals. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm actually gonna rub it on my fingers, and then I'm gonna tap it right on the apples of my cheek. How beautiful is this color? This cheek and lip tint is giving me that radiance from within. I have this healthy flush to my cheeks and I absolutely love it. Easy to work with, it's not patchy whatsoever, and it blended out beautifully on the skin. So I did something quick and easy on my eyes today, and now it's time for mascara. I did one eye off camera just so that you could see the difference in wearing mascara from the Marc Jacobs and this eye doesn't have any mascara whatsoever. You can definitely see the volume, especially in my lower lashes. The shape of this brush definitely helps grip the center lashes and really build that volume from root to tip. So I'm gonna pop some lashes on and we'll finish up with lips. So I've just lined my lips and now it's time for some lip product. I am taking the Zoeva Pure Velourous Lips, and this is in the shade Natural Aesthetic. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. This color is so cute, you guys. It is such a creamy and velvety formula. It literally is gliding along my lips. Because this is a velvet matte formula, you are still getting all the pigment with a very long lasting finish. It is absolutely perfect. It's flexible and everything you're looking for in a velvet liquid lipstick. Oh my god, you guys, here is the completed look featuring some of the products in this month's premium box. I am so happy with the way everything turned out today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, Charmers.